So it's all about the Jayco Jay Flight SLX series here at the Ultimate RV Show National Tour. Right now, we're taking a look at a beautiful couples rear dining camper. Rear dining's great because it does give you the option of bringing additional people if you need, because they'll sleep up to 4 people. But for reconnecting with the couple, you're going to find large panoramic windows, plenty of space to move around, lightweight, light on price, but not light on features. Standing inside the 212QB, the Jayco Jay Flight SLX series, you know the Jayco name. They've been the top-selling camper for the last 15 years with this XLX series, mainly because of their quality construction, like their Magnum Truss roofing. They do things that other manufacturers don't do, like even down to the nail plates inside the construction. They use bigger nail plates than the standard nail plates used in making these RVs. So Jayco really takes the time and the attention to detail in creating that quality. I'm a fan of the rear dining for the couples, mainly because you're looking at something that's roughly 4,100 pounds, 25 feet long, but plenty of space to just enjoy. Now, I have the booth dinette set in the down position, so you could see that you could easily get one person on there to sleep. And even if somebody's laying down, just hanging out, or if it's set up in the booth and you're reconnecting with the loved one, you can still sit over here on the leather at Jackknife Sofa and enjoy each other's company. And I like how a lot of the manufacturers have gone to these removable armrests that double as a pillow because, well, they're removable, they're functional, but they're also, you're able to do with it pretty much whatever you want to do. So this 212QB sleeps up to 4,100 pounds, 25 feet long, starts at $21,335, or as low as $5.27 a day. Now, during the Ultimate RV Show, we have people that are standing by who'll be able to answer your questions and walk you through each and every RV that you want to see. It's about helping you try to find the one that's right for you. With over 80,000 factory fresh RVs coming, I'm pretty sure that we can do that. But with the Jayco Jay Flight SLX, they're not going to skimp on features, even though they are lightweight. Check out this cool faux leather design on the wood balance. I got my speakers mounted right here. Television bracket is there. I have the 110, but I also have the 12 volt. So if you get one of the 12 volt TVs, you can plug that in. Got my HDMI cable here, which plugs into my IRV Technologies AM/FM command center that also has CD, DVD player, Bluetooth, and it's dual zone. So you can play the music inside or out. Over here is my Jackknife Sofa. Another large panoramic window with storage on top. I like the addition of this because a lot of times with the rear dining sets, you don't get a lot of storage over here on the off-camp side. Usually it's just a big window, which is nice, but having that feature there, especially if you do end up bringing somebody with you, is a nice to have. Solid wood cabinetry. You got the brushed nickel fixtures going all the way around. And even speaking of solid wood, even here with this Magnum Truss roof that Jayco has, they don't use the staples to do the wood paneling. They actually screw it in. Why is that important? Well, screws are stronger than staples, and you're going to get a lot more wear out of that type of construction. Got plenty of pantry room storage here. Or if you like me and you want to set up something that you're going to use as a fishing cabin or a hunting cabin, like I'm originally from Virginia. And my uncle has a small camper that he set up on his land up near the mountains where we go and we do deer hunting. I love it because we just get in there. It's enough space for us to sleep and get cleaned off, but we've also used it as a deer blind, so we're able to like take the windows out and this, that, and the other thing. But we don't use the pantry for food. No, this is where we store like all of our equipment. So with an RV, that's the great thing about it. People say, you can't put anything in there except for food. It's a pantry. Well, it's your RV, and last time I checked, you can do with it whatever you want since it's your RV. So if you want to put grab-and-go bags, maybe, fishing equipment, or maybe golfing equipment, this is where you want to store all those high-priced golf balls that you think are going to shave, numbers off your score. Bam, right there. Got the large fridge-freezer combo that runs on both gas and electric. Check that out. The Norcold fridge does a good job. Good space for a couple. Actually, good space for a family. I mean, if you're going on those long road trips, or if you want to set this up maybe down at the beach and use it as your getaway, your vacation spot, good spot to store your food. When it comes to preparing that camp cooked meal that you're going to eat right there in the booth dinette, here's where you can do it. You got the pressed solid surface countertop. Got a plug right here, so if I want to set up a coffee station, I absolutely could. I could also check all my grays, my batteries, the whole nine, run my water pump, my heater, the whole, pretty much everything. Now, you'll see, especially over the last few years, what they've done with the cooktops is they've recessed them so that you get more prep space, but you can also do the cooking with the glass cover. You just fold it up and bam, there you go. You got the grill style grates, easy to move the pots and pans around. But if you need that additional prep space, you got it right there. Accent light right here. You even have a little oven. So, maybe you're down in Florida, maybe you catch some great fish and you want to pop it in the oven, or maybe you want to make some shrinky dinks. Why not? Boom, you got the space to do it right there. Microwave right here. More storage. And once again, this is, it's all about showing you the options, all about showing you the features. If you don't like the booth dinette and the Jackknife Sofa, and you'd rather just have a big U-shaped dinette in the back, you can get that. With 80,000 factory fresh RVs coming, you have the option to get whatever you want. All you got to do to get the party started on that one is just text FRESH to 46642 or drop me a comment down below, FRESH. You can always give us a call. We got over 150 locations. Now granted, I'm in Florida this week, but you might be in Washington State, or you might be in California, you might be in New York State. Just give us a call, 877-297-8725. People are standing by to help you find the RV that's right for you. Now, rear dining, but you got yourself a bathroom. Now, I'm 6'2", and I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna step in here so you can kind of see, get a good feel for how much room you have. Now, plastic bowl with the foot flush, I still got plenty of room. I'm not too cramped. I'm not the skinniest dude on the planet. Sure, the holidays were a little unkind to me, but you don't have to be. I got countertop space here, my towel hanger there, single basin sink. I got my mirror, and for the single surround shower tub combo, pretty good space. Even with my big old goofy hat and the skylight, I got plenty of headroom. I'm not cramped left or right or up and down. I got my corner notches. If you're an active couple and you bring the animals with you, this is a great spot to spray them off, especially if you got finished going to the beach. You want to get them cleaned up, there you go right there. Having the tub is a nice addition. Finish off the inside with the master bedroom. Now, if you do bring people with you, you don't really have a lot of separation of space, but you do have a privacy curtain. So if you want to do the I Dream of Jeannie reveal, you can do that right there. Got storage space. Strut supported that is also accessible through the pass-through right there. I got a storage shelf, mirrored ward storage all the way, on both sides. Plus, I got windows so I can get a good cross breeze going. And you can't really see it here, or maybe you can. Kev, see if you can come around and get this. You have the wall mount for your TV. This is pretty unique because you don't have to have multiple TVs. You can just take the TV off of the mount. There's a matching mount outside that you can use, cable connection, and power's right there. But there are so many options for you to choose from. If you like this 212QB and you say, Chris, that Jayco Jay Flight SLX, that thing's pretty awesome. Starting at $21,335 or as low as $5.27 a day to sleep 4, roughly 4,100 pounds dry, 25 feet long. Man, how do I get in on that? Well, it's pretty easy. Just text RV to 46642. Here's that TV mount that I was talking about from the inside. So if you want to set up your outside entertainment, you absolutely can. Got your cable connection, your power port. Now, one of the reasons why I want you to text RV to 46642 or drop me a comment down below RV is so you can talk to some of our specialists who can really do the in-depth detail and go through all the features. They can tell you about the cool, adjusting brakes on these axles right here. This is a double axle, the Dexter Easy Lubes. You got the Goodyear tires. You got the solid steps. You got the Solera adjustable arm with the speakers built in right there, the LED light strip, the G20 tinted windows, 2+3 warranty. Let them talk to you about that because that is one of the best in the industry. What does that mean? Let them walk you through it. Just text FRESH to 46642 or leave us a comment down below, FRESH. Got my Scissor Jacks right there. There's our pass-through storage accessible from the master. 20-pound LP tanks, powered tongue jack, diamond-plated rock guard. You got that Superflex roof going over the top. And over here on the off-camp side, got the other side of my pass-through, as well as my terminations. Black tank flush, city water connection, external shower, my power cord, portable water, cable connection, my 4x4 sewer hose storage, spare tire. Look, there's lots of stuff that's standard. But what you need to know about the Jayco Jay Flights is the way that they're built, they are solid. Jayco has been one of the top selling campers for the last 15 years because of how they're built and why they build them the way they build them. They do it so that you can have options and features that you don't get on a lot of entry-level campers. I mean, it kind of makes sense, right? If this is one that you say, Chris, we gotta have it, how do I get it in my driveway? Just text RV to 46642 or leave me a comment down below RV. This is the Jayco Jay Flight 212QB, starting at $21,335 or as low as $5.27 a day. Dry weight, 4,100 pounds, 25 feet long. Or if you say, Chris, I wanna get something like that, but I need bunks. We got like 15 kids. We need to sleep a bunch of people. I know Kevin's gonna be coming over. You know, he brings all his kids. We just need a lot of room. What you got? Well, we got 80,000 factory fresh RVs coming, so we got something for you. So if you want to take Kevin over to the Everglades, if you know what I'm saying, then text FRESH to 46642 or drop me a comment down below, FRESH. We will help, our specialists will help walk you through all the great RVs that are out there coming. But if you're at another one of the shows here in Florida and you're saying, yeah, I hear about the Ultimate RV Show, you guys seem like you're doing all right, you got some cool stuff, but I think I got a pretty good deal here. I'm gonna beat it. Guaranteed I'm gonna beat it. I'm gonna give you $1,000 in cash. All you gotta do is give me a chance. Just text BEAT to 46642 or comment below BEAT. Whatever deal you think you got, we're gonna beat it. I got more Jayco Jay Flight SLXs coming up as the Ultimate RV Show National Tour continues in beautiful sunny Florida.